Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. To create a summer or holiday look, I'm first taking K by Katrina's loose powder in the shade Vanilla and setting my eyelids. Next, taking Nykaa's liquid liner in the shade Brown to create a winged liner. Since I have hooded eyes, I will give a very little wing. This holiday look is as quick as possible and as minimal as possible to make it apt for summer and holidays. I have very dry skin, so I will not use any powder in this tutorial to set my face as we are using minimal products. But for normal to oily skin, please go ahead and powder the face a little bit. For rest of the makeup, I will keep it matte. Now, taking this blue liner and adding some color to our eyes to get that summer vibes. Applying this blue eyeliner above that brown liner to add that oomph we need for this look. Here, I am using blue color. You can use any color whichever you prefer. And these colorful steps add that calmness to this summer look. Using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara and applying it on my lashes with bended side of the wand. This will provide volume to the lashes. Now, turning the wand to the uplifted side and applying second coat. This will provide a little curl to the lashes. Coming to the usual drill, taking Maybelline Fit Me foundation and applying all over the face in little dot fashion and then blending with a foundation brush. I have used very little product as we have to be outside all day long, but I am blending that little foundation also perfectly to make it budge proof and look as natural as possible, hence giving the coverage. Taking Kiko Milano concealer, which is true match to my skin tone, and applying under my eyes and blending with fingers. Now, taking a damp beauty blender and bouncing it all over the face to get the most natural finish. Now, to look more bubbly, applying this Earth Rhythm tint to my cheeks and blending it well first with fingers and then with a brush. Applying some on the sides of the nose, tip of the nose and bridge of the nose as well. This gives a very refreshing look to the skin. To look symmetrical, adding some on the chin as well. Now, with the same blush, doing some jaw contouring as well. Some fixing spray to the beauty blender which goes straight to the face to set everything in place. Setting under eyes also with it to make it crease proof. For lips, taking Swiss Beauty lip liner in shade Bobby Brown and lining my lips. This shade is perfect for all the brown tone lipsticks. I am filling my lips also with the same lip liner and then smoothing it out with my fingers. Taking Nykaa's matte lipstick in the shade Madras Kaapi and applying on top of that lip liner. Tapping with fingers and making sure that it is well set on the lips. Topping the lips with a lip gloss just in the center of the lip. So, here comes the final look for this summer holiday season. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please check description box for product details. I'll see you all next time. Bye.